The old Toyotas and the old 720s are probably some of the best ones to do on this. You're good. You're good. You got it. Hey, raise your hand real quick. Oh, wait, no. Roof racks. Roof racks. Oh, you made it. You're good. All right, hold up. Hold up right there. Time to drop it down a little bit. Try to be even about it. All right. Resume party. He's not scared. You got smart to the cat lights on. Oh, and you're out. Full size, just barely not making it through. You're good. You got it. I think your spoiler is going to hit before the roof does. I'm just saying. You're good. Oh, really? He's in 4x4 mode and still made it. Right. That radio antenna is what's going to end up hitting. All right, drop it down some more, guys. I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. Smoke them if you got them. Good.
Oh, barely.
One more, baby.
No, you were out. That make it or no? Good? Good? Okay. That one's good. Ah, there a win right there. Nope, sorry man, you're out. Still rolling in 4x4 mode. The roof racks are going to be the question. Is the roof rack going to make it?
Oh.
The center brace is what hit. Yeah. Will the radio antenna get through? That's the question. Rip that damn thing off. You don't need that. Who listens to the radio nowadays? Keep going, you're good. Keep going, keep going. Oh, just made it. I told you that's what's gonna hit.
Sorry.
You should probably drop your windshield down some more. Or lack thereof.
But it goes down to her and him.
Wow, made it through. Oh, and you're out. You still have a judge seat. Judge. The judges are up here by the stage. You need to come up here and let them know now. You have a 5-minute window right now. If you still have a judge seat because you have not been judged, bring that up to the judges in front of the stage so they can get you judged. You have a 5-minute window, guys. I don't know, his air cleaner was kind of close on that one, so there was a 2-foot gap. Do like somebody trying to slide it in a second. Just rev it up and go for it, and then drop it all the way down. Yeah, make sure you spit on it first. Oh, you made it! Told you. Go for it, drop it down. Yeah, right. I don't think the stage changed height yet. There's a difference. There is no teal blue. There's teal green. That's what magazine it's in, because believe it or not, my truck looks blue in a magazine. Yeah.
Oh.
Is that good? Was that, holy cow, are you kidding me? Wow. It's between the two trucks. There's your car winner right there. Yeah, we've got car limbo and truck limbo. There's your car window. Right. Damn kids. Huh? We're right. They're going to. Yeah. Telling you. Get it up to 20 and just slam it down and go for it. Just go for it. This is it. For all the marbles.
Oh.
You are out. Will the S10 make it? Yes. There's your truck winner right there. Rat Rod was the car winner. This guy coming up right here.